Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. To also help kick off your Cinco de Mayo celebrations is a twist to the margarita. We're gonna make a Lagerita with beer, right? Same concept as a regular margarita, but instead we're gonna add beer to it. So you're gonna get a little bit more of it, right? So I think it's gonna be a very, very, very tasty drink. Anyway, so let's go. First things first, tequila. Whatever tequila you like is the tequila you use. So we're going to start off with 2 ounces of tequila. Next, we're going to go 3/4 ounce of our Cointreau, the triple sec. So if you don't have this, whatever you got, Grand Marnier, just triple sec. You need 3/4 ounce of a triple sec. Next, we're going to add 1 ounce of a fresh squeezed lime juice. And I want to give this a good stir. So I have a salt rim glass that it's a citrus. Is a citrus jalapeno salt. So I'll give it a little kick. Use what you want to use. Tajin would probably be really, really good with it as I keep going out the camera. But anywho, we're going to strain this into our glass. The last thing we got to do is add about 4 ounces of beer. Really, you can just top it. Yeah, that's about 4 ounces. We'll give it just a little stir. Cheers. That salt, that little spicy, little jalapeno salt, it's pretty good on there. A little citrus kick to it. Again, Tajin would probably be really good on this also. But this is a good variation to a margarita. I guess it makes you feel a little more manly, but whatever. Whatever do you. Cheers. Till next time.